Hey guys, it's Yuki Kadoka and welcome to my channel. Ngayon magre-react tayo sa Pokemon Presents. Nakaka-release lang this February. Actually, huge Pokemon fan talaga ako. Alam niyo po ba, yan yung libangan ko habang naghihintay sa mga eksena during tapings dati. At saka since then, ayun, laro ko pa lahat ng mga main games. From Red, Blue sa Game Boy Color hanggang sa recent games na Pokemon Scarlet Violet at saka Legends ZA. Ayan po, meron ako Switch 2. Kaya talaga nilalaro ko po siya. Ayun. At saka dahil sa 30th anniversary na po nila, for sure meron silang mga special announcement. Ang pinaka-inaabangan ko po ay kung meron bang mga new games. Excited na akong makita ang mga bagong Pokemon para sa Generation 10. Yun po yung mga new batch ng mga Pokemon, di ba? Pag may new games, may new Pokemon, may new stories, may new BGM, di ba? Lahat bago, kaya yung po, talagang tinututukan ko. At saka, I know, medyo late na po kasi akong i-upload ang reaction video na ito, pero gusto ko pa rin i-share sa inyo ang aking magiging reaction dito. Kasi alam ko po na medyo malaki at saka active na rin po ang mga Pokemon community sa Philippines, di ba? 2 years ago kasi nung umuwi po ako sa Pinas, natsempohan ko na may big event sa Market. Nag-shopping lang po kami ng family ko. Hindi ko alam na may event doon. Pero sa labas pala, naririnig ko na yung mga BGM ng Pokemon. Ay, meron bang event dito? Yun. Naisip ko po yun. Tapos, nung pumasok ako, ang dami-daming tao. Naglalaro sila ng mga trading card games. Yung mga collectors, showcase nila yung collections nila. Tapos, may mga fashion show, ini-imitate nila yung mga characters ng Pokemon. Kaya ayun, ang saya-saya. Naisip po, na happy naman po ako na makita na ang dami na rin Pokemon fans sa Philippines. Kaya ayun, sure na po ako na marami din mga Philippine fans na hinihintay ang 30th anniversary announcement ng Pokemon. So yan na po, wag na natin patagalin. Tingnan na po natin ang 30th anniversary na Pokemon Presents. Let's go! Yan. So, panoorin na natin. Okay. Pinakaunang game nila. Yan. Ako, yung mga memories. Talagang nakakamiss. Very nostalgic. Diba, nung dati, ano lang siya, dot lang siya, black and white lang yung color nila. Ngayon, napakaganda ng graphics, parang 3D na siya.
Hello everyone,
Ayan na yung president
I'm
ng
Ishihara
Pokemon.
from the Pokemon Company. Today, February 27, is Pokemon Day. This is the date the Pokemon Red and Pokemon Green games were first released in Japan, marking the beginning of the Pokemon series.
Ang galing, no? 30 years.
In those first two titles, 151 Pokemon made their appearance. Now, a total of 1,025
ang dami
Pokemon
na
have
nila.
been discovered. And these diverse Pokemon have been part of the stories
Hanggang
trainers
kailan pa kaya
worldwide
nila
have been able to
dadamihin to?
experience.
Napakadami na.
This year marks the Pokemon series' 30th, a milestone reached because of your support.
Kasi di ba nung
Thank you.
nung
each
kailan
and
lang,
every one of
nung
We hope you will all enjoy
ba yun?
seeing how Pokemon
nung Sword and
continues to
Shield,
evolve.
di ba sabi nila, hindi kakasya sa
In today's
laman ng
broadcast,
bala ng game.
We'll share all
Kasi
the
napakarami ng
latest news
Pokemon.
about
Kaya binawas nila
Please
yung
enjoy the presentation.
yung pwedeng sumama sa game na yun. Pero after that, dinami naman nila, ganon. Kaya, siguro pag padami ng Pokemon, ganon din mangyayari siguro. Ewan ko lang. Yan, Game Boy. Oh.
I'm Junichi
やっぱね、
Masuda, and I handled the music and sound effects for the Pokemon Red
Pokemon-
version and Pokemon Blue
yung
version
mga
video
BGM
games.
ng
You can now play
Pokemon,
all 45 songs from the games
talagang
on a small
ano
player
eh,
inspired by the Game Boy system. We took particular
nakaka-energize.
care to make the audio sound just like Game Boy, so I hope you enjoy listening while swapping out cartridges.
Pinapaalala nila yung history ng Pokemon.
Hello, Pokemon trainers, and happy Pokemon Day. I'm Chris Brown from the Pokemon Company International, and I'm thrilled to share news about the 2026 Pokemon World Championships,
Pokemon World
which will be taking place
Championships.
alongside our new fan experience, Pokemon XP in San Francisco. The 2026
Wow,
Pokemon
ang
World
dami.
Championships will once again welcome nearly 3,000 competitors from all over the world. Competitors in the video game championships will battle for the first time in Pokemon Champions.
Ayun, yung
while their
Pokemon
fellow competitors
Champions.
will battle in the Pokemon trading card game,
Yung
Pokemon Go,
lahat,
and Pokemon
yung
Unite.
kahit sa Switch,
Each of the
yung sa
final matches of
phone,
these games
pinagsama-sama
will be held
yata
at the
nila
Chase
dun, di
Center,
ba?
an arena that's 3 times the
Inaabangan
size
ko
as
din
last
yun.
year's finals. Years ago, we started on a mission to create the most exciting Pokemon event for our competitors and their families. As the World Championships evolved, we saw an opportunity to expand even further and deliver a one-of-a-kind experience
Dream ko
where
rin
trainers
na
around the world can come together and celebrate their fandom.
mapunta sa
As
ganong
we celebrate 30 years
championships.
of
Kasi,
Pokemon,
di ba,
we
parang
invite all of you
ang
to the
saya-saya.
inaugural Pokemon XP event. Fans of all ages can expect fun activities.
di pa ako
including
nakakapunta sa
interactive
mga
exhibits,
official events.
pin
eh.
trading, cosplay showcases, unique panels, hands-on workshops, exciting partner collaborations, and of course, visiting the Pokemon Center pop-up store. To celebrate this new experience, today we're giving you a first look at a truly special piece of art illustrating Pokemon XP alongside the highly anticipated World Championships.
Wow. Sa San Francisco pala nila
Whether you're joining
gagawin.
us in person in San Francisco or from home on our live stream, we can't wait to see you this August.
May live
Thank you,
stream din
Pokemon
sila.
trainers.
Every time naman, as usual. Okay, trading card. Yung trading card naman, alam ko po siya kung paano laruin. Kaso, hindi lang po ako talaga collector ng mga cards at saka ano lang, minsan lang nilalaro ko lang siya kung merong mang kaibigan na marunong maglaro ng Pokemon game. Hindi ako masyadong pumupunta sa mga events na yung kasi dito sa Japan ano yung popular yan, punta ka lang ng card shop, meron ng small tournament, makikipaglaro ka sa mga tao. Hindi po ako kasi masyadong bumibili ng mga cards kasi napakarami nila. Kaya ano lang po, parang ano lang, play for fun lang talaga. Medyo magastos po kasi pag pag card game. Okay. So, next ano ito?
A huge range of Pokemon that have appeared in Pokemon Go so far will return.
Pokemon Go.
And there's a 2-day Pokemon Go tour event.
As I
starting
said
tomorrow.
earlier, ano lang po, talagang
We also
fan
have
lang po ako
promo
sa
code
mga
to share.
main games sa, yun nga, sa mga Switch, mga DS, Color, yung mga ano, yung may, yung game talaga. Hindi sa mga, ano, phone apps, hindi masyado. Ito rin parang ano to yung sa phone app. Pokemon Masters yata.
Let your curiosity shine! Like a twinkling star!
Ayan, Pokemon Masters.
Pokemon Masters EX.
Pwede rin, gusto ko rin siya i-try someday. Kaso hindi lang ako masyadong fond of playing those kinds of games. Ayan, ang cute nila, parang chibi. yung maliliit. Customization. Pokemon Cafe Remix. Meron din Switch, meron ding App Store at Google Play. Sa phone and Switch siya. Ang galing. At Pokemon Sleep. Alam ko din to, pero hindi ko siya nilalaro. Alam ko lang siya. Siguro nakaka-get sila ng Pokemon habang natutulog. Ewan ko kung paano laruin yun.
To celebrate
Okay, so
Pokemon
ito
Day,
naman
Zapdos,
Pokemon Unite.
Moltres, and
Ano din
Articuno
yata
will be
siya
joining the
sa
fray.
phone?
The magnificent power
phone
of the
game
three
yata to
legendary
eh.
bird Pokemon comes together. Soar stylishly into battle.
Alam ko rin siya,
You can
pero hindi ko
participate
lang
in
siya
the event to
nilalaro.
unlock their Unite licenses. And even more Pokemon are scheduled to be added. Don't miss what's coming.
Pero of course, 30th anniversary kasi lahat yan merong updates. Meron din Switch. Pwede rin para sa Switch. Okay, next. Pocket. Ito din. Nilaro ko po itong trading card pocket sa phone ko. Mga 3 months. 3 months ko lang siya nilaro. Intrigued din kasi ako. Kasi, yun nga, you can play it for free. Kahit free player ka lang, makakabattle ka na matino. Pero yun lang, ewan ko, medyo, ayun, hindi ko na siya nilalaro ngayon. Pero I had fun on those 3 months. So, next, GameCube. Ito naman GameCube, hindi po ako nagkaroon ng GameCube. Si Dark Lugia. Hindi ba si Dark Lugia ano lang siya? Parang fake Pokemon? Totoo ba siya? Gale of Darkness. Alam ko si Dark Lugia, ano siya eh, lumalabas siya sa mga fake Pokemons. Parang ano to, parang Pokemon Colosseum. Hindi ko pa siya nalaruan dati. Pero di ba mga ano na to, mga 20 years or 15 years ago? Pero di ba 3D siya? Ang galing. Kahit na 10 plus years ago na ang ganda na ng graphics.
Hello everyone, I'm Utsunomiya from the Pokemon Company. I'd like to give you all some additional updates as we share the latest news on our games. First off, we have information regarding the Pokemon Fire Red version and
Yung
Pokemon Leaf Green
Fire
version
Red at
games
Leaf Green.
coming
Yan,
to Nintendo Switch.
napaglaruan ko na siya. Napunta na siya sa
Fire
Pokemon
Red and
sa
Pokemon
Switch.
Leaf Green games.
Okay.
Remakes of the Pokemon Red and Pokemon Green
Yan,
games in Japan.
talagang pinaglaruan
were
ko na
released
yan.
on Game Boy
Mga
Advance in
siguro
2004. Today,
mga 3
these
or
games
4
have been
times
made
inulit-ulit ko
available
na
to play
siya.
once more as download exclusive titles on Nintendo
Oo.
Switch and Nintendo Switch
From the
2.
start until I became champion, tapos tinapos ko yung after game
We also
nila.
plan to make
Tapos
these titles compatible with
na-board
Pokemon
na
Home
ako,
in the future.
ni-restart ko siya uli.
This way, you
Ginawa
can
ko yung
bring
mga 3 or
Pokemon
4
obtained in
times.
other Pokemon RPG series titles on
Of course,
adventures
every time, iniba ko
or
yung
you
mga
can send
ano.
Pokemon to visit
Pwede
Pokemon
siyang
Champions.
i-transfer.
We hope you look forward to it.
Ang galing! Pwede. Sige. Try natin uli yan.
Next, we have some news about Pokemon Champions.
Pokemon Champions. Ayan. Gusto ko ito malaman. Kasi di ba ang galing? Pwede sa Switch, pwede sa phone. At saka lahat yung mga, ano ba yun yung... ayan di ba? Tapos Mega Evolution, Mega, ano ba yun, yung mga Terastal, yung mga, different gimmicks, di ba, pinag-isa-isa? Paano kaya ito laruin? Ito, yan, gusto ko talaga siyang laruin. Mega Dragonite din. Oh, Mega Raichu. X. Kailan? April! April! Oh! April!
We the chair.
1 month na lang Tapos, on the latter half of the year, yung mobile
Next up
version
is
niya.
news about the Mega Dimension
Yeah!
DLC for Pokemon
Hinintay ko na
Legends
siya.
Z,
April, okay.
the newest title in the Pokemon series.
Tapos na
Please
siya.
take a look at this video.
ZA, okay. And nilalaro ko rin po ng ZA. Anong merong updates dyan? Kasi na-bored na ako natapos ko na yung story. Wala na akong gustong gawin. Kaya anong merong updates? Okay. Medyo na-disappoint ako sa sa design ni Mega Zygarde. Pwede pa siyang maging cooler. Okay. Dark. Mega Dimension. Ano meron? Parang ano sila, sabay-sabay battle. Okay, Mega Garchomp Z. Oo, may pagkaiba. Ay, bago yung design. Mega Avalon? Wala no. Kala ko meron. Ano pa ba? Ito yung ordinary Mega Garchomp. Hindi. Ordinary Garchomp lang pala. Play download contents. Ayun. So, meron palang bagong
A new Mega Evolution of Garchomp,
evolution
Mega
ni
Garchomp Z,
Garchomp.
has been discovered.
Okay.
This mystery gift will become available for the Pokemon
mystery
Legends
gift.
ZA Mega
Kahit sino
Dimension
pwedeng
DLC
makuha
after this
nito.
presentation concludes. After
Yay.
claiming this gift, you'll be able to detect a special hyperspace distortion where you can encounter Mega Garchomp Z. You can obtain a Garchompite Z stone by winning a battle against Mega Garchomp Z in the special pocket of hyperspace. Next up, we have some news about Pokemon Pokopia.
Pokemon Pokopia! Ito din, hinihintay ko siya. Gusto ko rin tong i-try. Kasi parang siya Minecraft. Ano ba yan? Yung sa Japanese Dobutsu no Mori ang tawag dun yung mga animals, di ba? Gumagawa ng bahay, inaayos yung village, di ba? Parang ganon. Anong meron? Si Rotom to, di ba? Baka si Rotom. Si Rotom nga! Stereo Rotom! Ang galing!
Is that curious-looking stereo of Rotom?
Stereo Rotom.
Did it get enticed by the music and
Ano
hop
kaya type
inside?
niya? Siguro electric
It's
lang.
really
Pure
energetic
electric
and seems to
siguro.
go by DJ Rotom. What happens if you give it a CD in the game?
CD? Ay, nako, yung mga big fan ng mga BGM. Nako,
It
gusto
can help
gusto
liven up
to.
the town with a variety of music. Ditto and the others are
Tayo,
grooving to the beat
iuulit-ulit ko
too.
yun
Let's
sa
listen
sa
to DJ
isip ko yung
Rotom's
mga
specially
BGM.
selected tracks while I introduce you to the world of Pokemon
Okay.
Pokopia. Ditto first encounters Professor Tangrowth in a wasteland that was once a town. It seems like Ditto is working alongside other Pokemon to develop the town.
Ano lang siya,
they're
cool
sure
lang siya.
fired up.
Hindi siya hassle.
Of course, you can't give your all
Ipa-play
on
mo
an
lang siya
empty
na
stomach.
kung ano, sa pace mo.
It looks like Riolu wants something to eat too. But how do you cook?
Meron ding cooking. Ano to?
Huh?
Si ano to? Si...
That's Silhouette.
Oo, siya. Read and cook.
A Greedent appeared. It sounds like everyone calls it Chef Dente. Chef Dente can teach you how to cook all sorts of dishes.
May cooking din.
Each Pokemon has different foods they prefer. Some dishes will even power up your moves when you eat them. This will
Oh.
make it even easier to develop the town. Try bringing
Okay.
Pokemon you've befriended on an outing. In multiplayer mode, you can visit other players' towns.
Ayan ang maganda, yung
You can play with up
nakaka-interact
to
sa
3
ibang
other people.
players. Diba?
First, let's play some hide and seek.
Mai-express mo kung ano yung characteristics mo,
there
kung
you
anong gusto
are.
mo. I-customize mo yung
There's someone
town
here,
na
too.
kung ano sa gusto mo, diba?
But where's the last one? Whoa! You can transform into objects
pwede
too.
magtaguan.
That was a fun game of hide and seek.
Okay.
By working together, you could even build something this big.
Si Dito ba to? Ang cute.
Together, you can develop a town. Or go on far-off adventures.
Wow! Parang parang
New
Minecraft
encounters will
talaga.
await you as well. Every day, the world gets bigger and bigger.
Nakita ko yung
Developing
yung
one step
interview
at a
ng
time.
developer nito. Sabi niya, gusto daw niya
Pokemon
ipa-experience sa
Pokemon.
ibang tao kung paano gumawa ng yun nga,
Available
yung
on
mga
March
city. Kasi siya daw dati, inaayos lang niya yung kung saan ipa-place yung grass dito. Ganun daw yung ginagawa niya dati. So ayun, doon siguro kinuha yung yung theme niya para sa game na ito. Na para ma-experience din natin kung paano gumawa ng game. Well, not actually game, yung environment ng Pokemon.
to develop a town
Kaya
from the
siguro
ground up.
mai-enjoy ng mga players to.
Today, we covered all of the information you see here.
Okay, so ito yung mga updates.
We'd like to end our presentation today with
Ayan
one
na
final
siya.
video for you all.
Ayan na siya.
Thank you for tuning in.
Ayan na siya! Ano ba to? Please! Goosebumps. Okay. Ako, new game na to. New game na to. Johto? Hoenn? Hindi. Yung mga, history, ne? History of Pokemon Cities. Okay. Okay. Alam ko na to kung saan pupunta. Southeast Asia? Island? Ano to? Island na to? Okay. Warm weather? Tropical? po, Game Freak, okay? Tropical, Tropius. Resorts. Ano to? Oh. Wild. Wow, so wild. Wow, yung waves. Clear waters. Ang ganda ng nature. Okay. Wingull. Krabby. Okay. Yung magma. Ang ganda ng graphics. New starters! Justin! Okay. Owl na naman. Okay, parang dog, lion, kumbon, okay. Gekwa, okay. Parang pareho siya. Parang nakita ko na sila. Okay. Ayun, water. Tingnan mo yung water, oh. May underwater! Okay. Okay. Parang Ruby Sapphire. Mas pinagandang underwater, tapos open world siya underwater. Okay. Ano to? Pokemon? Winds! Pokemon? Waves! Okay! Jensen! Yes! 2020 sa... Okay, next year pa siya. Okay? Yeah! Galing! Hindi mo ko pinabigo for 30th anniversary. Tapos na? Tapos na! Tapos na siya! Oh my God! Bitin! Bitin na bitin! Patingin nga po! Binitin tayo, guys. Oh my God. Pero at least, alam na po natin na Gen 10. Legit na siya. New games, new stories, new BGM. Ayan, I'm so excited. Matagal pa siya, next year pa siya, pero okay. At saka, intrigue ako kung ano yung theme niya. Of course, yung magiging legendary siguro. Because of the wind, siguro may flying type. And water is water type, something about that. Okay lang po siya. Pero, yung place kasi, yung mga regions ng Pokemon ay galing talaga sa real place ng world, kumbaga. So, Kanto region ay talagang dito sa Japan siya. Yung Hoenn region ay is in the Kyushu region of Japan. Yung Sinnoh region ay Hokkaido region of Japan. At kung sa mga recent games, especially yung Scarlet Violet, ay sa sa England. And yung Sword Shield is Sword Shield is England. And yun, diba? Yun yung mga theme nila. So this time, tropical. Pilipinas ba? Please be Philippines. Please be Philippines. Yun lang talaga. Kasi, diba, gusto natin makita yun kung paano maging Pokemon ng Philippines. Turn na natin, guys. Kasi dati, yung sa Pokemon Sun and Moon, Alola region. So, ano siya? Sa Hawaii. So, may tropical na tayo noon. Pero, ngayon back to the tropical. Ayun po. Kaya excited ako. Baka sa Southeast Asia siya. Yung mga island countries na Southeast Asia. Baka yun yung theme nila. At saka ang vast ng ng nature. Mga forest. At lalo yung water. Naku, yung water. Yung kung paano nila ipakita sa atin yung water na parang realistic. Ay talaga napakaganda. So I am looking forward to that. And also yung 3 starters, medyo okay. Yun yung talagang reaction ko. Ay, parang nakita ko na sila kasi 'di ba si Rowlet, parang si Rowlet siya. Tapos yung Whisker, hindi siya Whiskers, yung hairy dog, meron na tayong ganon. Tapos yung frog na water type na naman, meron na tayo nun. Kaya parang pareho na naman. Kaya medyo hindi naman sa disappointed, pero I was looking forward for a really new kind of starters. Pero okay, sige, tingnan natin. Acceptable naman. And also, yun po, yeah, there's no more much information about this. Yun po talaga ang tututukan ko for the next announcement. Hi, yun po. So, ayun. Kaya, yan po yung reaction ko for today. Ano pa ba meron? Yun. Basta, yun lang po. Bitin na bitin ako ngayon. So, wala po ako masabi. So, yeah, bitin na bitin po ako sa information nila. Pero okay lang. At least, meron na tayong Gen 10 na paghihintayin next year. So, yun po. So, what do you guys think? So, please comment. Comment lang kayo kung ano yung tinututukan nyo, kung anong naisip nyo sa announcement nila, at saka kung anong gusto nyo sa Pokemon, kung anong gusto nyo tanungin sa akin about my Pokemon experience, kahit ano, basta i-comments nila, write your comments down there. At lahat po yan titingnan ko. Don't worry, kahit hindi po ako mag-respond, lahat po yan, lahat, every comment, tinitingnan ko po yan. So, yan po. So, I hope na video ito ay malaman nyo na fan din po ako ng Pokemon, at kung fan din po kayo ng Pokemon, sana ayun po, magkaroon po tayo ng communication through this topic, diba? So, yun po. Thank you for watching and see you again for my next vlog. See you. Bye-bye.